This microtiller is easy to operate, powerful, and can adapt to various complex terrains. After arriving at the tillage area, set the engine stop, switch to the OFF position to stop the machine. To install the tillage wheel, first, remove the fixing pin that secures the wheel, then take off the wheel. Then, as shown in the video, align the installation position and install the tillage wheel. Then insert the fixing pin to secure the tillage wheel. Use the same method to install the blade on the other side. Insert the resistance rod to the required depth, then adjust the handle to the most comfortable position. Adjust the handle by rotating the lever counterclockwise to set the handle position. After adjusting to the proper position, tighten it clockwise to secure. For safety, shift the gear to N before starting. Turn the engine on-off switch to the on position. Open the throttle to the maximum position. Turn the fuel switch to the on position. Close the engine carburetor choke valve. First pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This two-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. After starting the engine, immediately open the choke valve on the carburetor. For safety, reduce the throttle before use and increase the throttle after adapting to the tillage rhythm. Control the lever to shift the gear to the 1 position. For safety, first gently squeeze the clutch lever to control the operating speed of the microtiller. Release the black handle and control the lever to shift the gear to the 2 position. Control the lever to shift the gear to the R position. Then, select the appropriate gear according to your needs to start tilling. After tilling is complete, turn the engine on-off switch to the OFF position to stop the machine.